Welcome to this introduction video of module number 2. So you finished module number 1 where we talk about the foundation of the tools we need and have everything set up and understand the basics of trading. In this second module, we will understand how to read the market. That's what you should expect after finishing this module. You will be able to read the market confidently. So in this module, I will explain to you three things. The roadmap, where we are in the roadmap right now, where you are in the roadmap right now, what this module will help you understand, and what this means for you, why you should finish this module, and what you will get at the end of it. So the four-stage roadmap in trading. We set up everything in the foundation part. This is step number 1. Step number 2 is where we are right now. We have to create the tools that we need to read the market. Using the metaphor of a house, and in this first foundations, we set everything up. We counted all the bricks and all the screws and all the saws we need to get everything set up so we can start reading the market. So in reading the market, this is where, if you imagine yourself sitting in a house, this is where the electricity is put in. This is where the walls is put in. This is where the windows of the house is put in to be able to see the structure of the house. Not yet live in it, just to see the structure and see and read the house from outside in, basically. Have you not seen a building of like a house? They are setting up the walls of the house, and you can see that this is going to become a house. So we are on the second stage right now, and this stage is called reading the market. What this module will help you understand. This module will give you confidence in how to read the market, how to read the charts, how to read the candles, how to understand market structure, and you will understand how price moves. You will understand at the end of this video where Bitcoin is going in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because you will understand market structure, breakout structure, fair value gaps. You will have an understanding of where the market is moving. So my expectations for you is to give you the ability to read the market through your own technical analysis. I'm giving you the tools so you can read and understand the market from your perspective. What does this mean for you? The market at the end of this module, where you go through all the lessons, you will start to make trading will start to make sense to you. Reading the charts will start to make sense to you, and you will stop guessing and you will start understanding. This will give you enormous confidence in your ability to trade, to take a trade. I'm just giving you a heads up. You will sometimes guess where the market is going because of the technical analysis you will learn in this module, but I'm here to tell you, don't go over to live, don't put any money in, just do all of this on a demo account still that you created on the foundation part, in the foundation part of this 4-stage trading roadmap. So, so take it easy, relax, don't you lose your money yet, right? You can lose your money through proper risk management later on, but not yet. You're still new to the game. So let's recap a bit. I've talked about a little bit about the fourth stage, the second stage in the roadmap, and where we are in the 4 stages of the roadmap, what this module will help you understand, and a little bit of what you can expect when finishing the entire lessons of this module. So as always, do a lesson check-in. Just check in, where are you right now in your trading journey? Have you finished the foundation part where you have everything set up so you can start reading the market and the charts easily? If you haven't done it already, finish that step, because this step will make it just more harder for you. As always, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and if you have not signed up to my school community yet, this is all for free. Feel free to join. I give you spreadsheets, Excel sheets, journal software that you can use for free so you can improve your trading. All right, that's it for this introduction video, and see you on the next lesson. Have a good day.